This video is going to show you how to take a box table and convert it to a rule table with a total line. In this example, you can see that you have your title in all capital letters in bold in the center in 14 point. Under that, you have a subtitle in 12 point, bold, centered, upper and lowercase letters, and then you have your blank line. Once again, you've got 1-line column headings and a 2-line column heading. So make sure that you've set your bottom alignment for those column headings, and then you have your information keyed. Now notice this $ in this column and the $ in this column. Your $ needs to be beyond the longest line of numbers. So when you take a look at this, you see there is the number 1 that's sticking out from the $92 above. When you have a number, you press the space bar 2 times before you key your $. If it's a number and a comma, then the comma gets 1 space. So for punctuation marks, you space once. For numbers, you space twice before you key that $. But basically, you want that $sign to align up with the $sign in your total line. We're going to select our table by clicking on our little command in the top left-hand corner. We're going to go to our Home tab, and on our Borders button, we're going to tell it No Borders. That leaves us with an open table. We're going to go to row 2, which is our column headings, and we're going to highlight that row. We're going to click on our drop down arrow and set up a top border. Then we're going to set up a bottom border. For our total line, we're going to select the bottom line, and we're going to do the same thing where you set up a top border and a bottom border. And this is different from a regular rule table, because in a regular rule table you do not have the top border on that last line, you only have the bottom. But if you have the word total in your table, then you set it up for the ruling to be above and below that total line.